Happy weekend, everyone, from our fabulous Bretton Woods Club members and friends. I'm Celine McArthur, your Slopeside Storyteller. The brand new BEQ2, aka Becky, is officially spinning. It's great news for skiers and riders. This high-speed quad is your gateway to even more terrain during these fantastic early season conditions. Some of our club members nabbed a spot on the first chair.
We are excited about the inaugural ride up on what we call the Becky.
What do you think?
I'm so excited to be here. The snow conditions have been great all week.
It's a great season so far, and it's only the first weekend in December. It's just going to keep getting better and better. We're so excited.
You can just nod because you're covered. What do you think?
I think it's one in a long series of improvements here. It's the best place to ski in the state, and I can't wait to try out this new lift.
You can't beat the new chair smell, I think.
We're so excited to see the continued investment in the mountain, and this new lift just represents that. Conditions should be awesome today with all the fresh powder. We're ready.
Tim Garrison took my GoPro for a ride up the lift.
Oh, very nice.
And then down for first tracks. We've had 23 inches of snowfall so far this season. The base depth ranges from 12 to 32 inches. 4 lifts and 20 trails are open for skiing and riding. That includes 9 with fresh, natural snow. Groomer Brad Shedd describes today's conditions as, quote, crisp, gorgeous, machine-groomed corduroy with a bunch of fresh powder stashes still left all over the hill. So tell us what you think and tag us in your pictures and videos. I'd love to share them. Also remember, you can plan your entire next visit at brettonwoods.com. We'll see you here.